Become a cleaning wizard by using these amazing cleaning hacks. Dirty frying pan? Use a dishwashing tablet and hot water to act on the grime. Say goodbye to stubborn grime. A lemon slice is ideal for keeping the sink smelling fresh. Place it in the plug hole like this. Annoying limescale buildup often forms on taps. A layer of wax will protect the stainless steel, making it waterproof and protecting the formation of limescale. Use a glove and mild soap to thoroughly clean your makeup brushes. As good as new. Here's an alternative long-lasting way to perfume your closets. Give it a try! When cleaning your cutting board, use all natural products. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface and scrub down with half a lemon. Now it'll be scented and sanitized. It is important to clean your hairdryer regularly and remove the dust that gets inside. A blockage could cause it to underperform or malfunction. To effectively remove stains and dust from the TV, a sheet of parchment paper is all you need. This way, you don't have to use spray detergents or water, which could damage the screen. Here are some hacks for dusting hard-to-reach spots. You can use a dry paintbrush. Or make a DIY tool using a kitchen sponge and a hot fork. Hard to reach dirt? Take advantage of the bubbling action of effervescent tablets. The bubbles will dissolve away the dirt without any need to scrub. Wow!